up, level 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 up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, you guys, here's my food. My cauliflower fried rice, fake rice, and chicken. You could add more. You can add onions, bell peppers, whatever veggies you like. I just was experimenting. I'm going to taste it on camera so I can let you guys know what it tastes like. Uh-oh, it's getting blurry. Clear up. Yeah. And the chicken I got from my local Winn-Dixie store. You can get it from like any grocery store. And it comes with 3 chicken breasts. I got the garlic and herb. And come on, focus. There. I got the garlic and herb, you guys. And it's just gonna add more flavor to what I already did. Okay. So there you have it. Oh, something's in my hair. Oh, my food from my fork. Okay, anyway, you guys, I'm gonna taste it. And I'm gonna let you know my honest opinion. So let me get some cauliflower. I like cauliflower with simply salt and butter and pepper. But never tried it like this, so. Holy crap. Now that right there is a money maker. Wow. The chicken is delicious and moist too. But this cauliflower is banging. I used the shredder as you guys saw, my blender, like my smoothies with. To make the rice that you see, because it's more pricey if you was to purchase the bag of cauliflower rice. Uh-oh, dropped my fork. So just get you a head of cauliflower, chop it up, or get you a food processor, shred it up, call it a day. I have my water that I have one of my little mixed in. Gotta stay on it. Got to stay on it. Okay? See you later. Okay, folks, I am finished. This is all I was able to eat. I am actually pretty stuffed. I think because I sipped a little something to drink, but this is all. It was really good. I know one thing I would change is the butter. The butter has salt, and I added a little salt as you saw. So it was like kind of close on the edge of being salty. Yeah, I could taste it a whole lot more when it started to cool down. When it got cold a little bit, not cold but warm. You could taste it then. So with the butter, I'll probably say use salt-free butter. Or that I can't believe it's not butter. I have that, but it's in my freezer frozen. Or some olive oil or something like that. So I'm out, you guys. See you later. Love you. And I'll see you in the next clip. You saw breakfast, now you saw lunch. And I don't know what's for, you know what? This is probably going to be the same thing for dinner. But what I'm going to do is probably just the other chicken breast that I did not eat. I'm going to have that with a side of chunky cauliflower instead of the rice kind. But I'll probably show you guys that once I could cook dinner for him. Not for him, for myself. And I'm going to take out some chicken legs for hubby. So I might end up recording it. I'm not sure. But if I do, you guys will see it. So I'll see you in the next video. Salad. Probably egg salad. Mix between egg salad and tuna that you saw me make this morning. That's why I meal prep. Like, you know, make what I'm going to eat. So when I'm ready to eat, especially like this cold food, I can just go in and get some and call it a day. So I guess I'm going to eat and end the vlog. So I was going to make me some more stir fry of the cauliflower and the chicken. But I'm just not in the mood. It's storming right now. So I think get hubby dinner started. So we're going to make him like some hamburger steak or ground it up with some gravy, with some mashed potatoes, string beans, and some bread. Or I might just do just the rice and the meat with the gravy. Because we in the country, when it rains, our lights always go out. Like, if it rains hard, our lights go out. Because a limb is always falling on the line, power line, and knocking something loose up. Want to make sure I have his food cooked when he get home, so they can at least be warm if the lights to go out or something like that. So I'm not going to make myself nothing to eat my tuna or my egg salad like I've been doing, and I'm going ahead and cook for him. The kids already ate, so don't even worry about what the kids eat, and they're fine. They're picky, so they don't eat different stuff that he eats. So, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next clip. You already know. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and request for more videos like this if you want them. And I'll see you guys in my puff. And I'll see you later.